Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Njcali and today I have a special treat for you all. Last farmer, you asked to see my cooking skills. And so I said, why not show you all what I can do at home and as a professional chef in the kitchen. So today we're doing an outdoor indoor technique, which we are smoking smoking mac and cheese right on the grill and doing a lightly smoked apple crumble for dessert. So you're going to see a little bit of something that I do, and also just to let you all know, you're probably wondering, well, what is in the garden that represents this cook-off? And that is the gala apple. All right, so the gala apple we have in our garden did not fruit this year because it's a new tree in our garden. Hopefully next year we'll have apples. But here's to you, left farmer, and I hope you enjoyed this content. And there's more to come because you're gonna see some more of my cooking skills right here on Njcaligardener Family. Now let's enjoy the content. So what you're seeing here is creativity, led, as you know, wanted to see my skills, cooking skills. So I'm going to use my cooking skills and some ideas that as a chef, as a professional chef, what we do when we come up with recipes. So what I'm doing here, I am implementing outdoor cooking with an indoor technique. Okay, because I'm not actually done. What we have here is basically we're smoking this mac and cheese. Okay, with a mesquite wood and a little bit of hickory. And I said, why not even try to go with a apple crumble, an apple smoked crumble as well. So this is part of our garden, the apple, okay? And you all know we have a gala apple in our garden. And so though we did not get a harvest this year, I went to my local grocery store, basically purchased some apples of gala apple, and I also implemented Granny Smith. And because we have grapes, I also added raisins to this as well. You can add any dry fruit to a crumble or a crisp, when your fruit crisp, when you're baking and whatnot. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking both of these, okay, and what I'm going to do is smoke this now, and then later on I'm going to actually put it in our oven indoors. Okay, so this is a part of an indoor outdoor technique that you will be seeing. Okay, and once it's done, you're going to see the finished results. So this is only a little sneak peek at what I do professionally and what I do in the comfort of my home for our family. So stay tuned. All right, everyone, here is the finished results of our mac and cheese, smoked mac and cheese. It was in the oven a little bit longer than I liked because the top layer is a little bit too dark. We had a pico breadcrumb. This is the first time I ever did that. However, it looks okay. But this is the result that we would like to see. A lighter color, okay, as you can see. Not too crisp, not too dark in color. All right. And then here is our apple crumble, okay. We switched out the pan. We using a 13x9 casserole dish, basically. I could have kept it in the iron skillet, but I said, why not just finish in the oven just to see what happens, because I did not want to over smoke the apples. Okay, that's very important. I just want a light smoke on the apples. So we finished it in the oven. Here it is. All right, mac and cheese. Now it's time to do a taste test, guys. Taste test time, baby. Let's go. All right, guys. It's now time to taste the finished results. So here, I have my bowl of mac and cheese. Nice texture here. You might can see it. Nice little thick texture, cheesy. Make sure I get nice taste here. You know what? Let's go for over here. Yeah, right there. Ooh, nice and cheesy. A light crunch with a nice settled smoky flavor. Hey y'all, that's what happens when you live in the city. Let me get another bite of this. This is good. Nice flavor. Delicious. Now here is the apple crumble with raisins. So with almonds, sliced almonds, and the oats. Cheers, y'all. I just wanted to show you all a little of my culinary skills, cooking skills at home. I want to say that I love, one of my favorite things about mac and cheese is I like to play around with different varieties of cheeses. I didn't add my usual cheeses. I do add to my macaroni and cheese. And if you would like to know the recipe, I'll put it in the link below, description below. Okay. Sorry for that again, but if you'd like to get the recipe for the mac and cheese, I'll put it in the description below. But this is some light work I do at home. I don't always make a lot of desserts at home anymore, but when I do feel led, I go in and do a little something. And so this is just a little comfort food for the home, for us all to enjoy. I'm Njcali. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace. Oh yeah, it's tasty.